starting to rain. What's up, Alphas? So we have decided that we are going to shake things up a little bit. I know that normally we do like a big Q&A series for the holidays where we do almost like a holiday checklist. This year, we have decided to make an entire video series that will consist of very short, edited videos that you will get to follow along with each week. And every week, we'll have a new task for you to complete leading up to the holidays and through like Black Friday and all of the stressful times. So as we're plotting out this new series, what we need to know is exactly what you guys need to know about holiday prep. Is there anything in particular that you guys want to learn about in terms of holiday prep? Is there any burning questions that you have? We have a lot of great ideas, but obviously I want to make sure that if there's anything in particular that you guys want to know, that we cover those. So be sure to leave those comments down below so we can make sure that we create some content that you guys are actually going to enjoy and be able to use this holiday season. We're looking forward to hearing your feedback and to create this really awesome new series for you. See you guys in the comments. What's up, Alphas? Oh, that was awful.